morning guys, welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today me and Jess are going to be exploring more of Oslob. We have rented a scooter and we're going to be chasing waterfalls. This is our bike for the day. The bike's 500 pesos for the day, which isn't too bad. So we're gonna set off now. And what we're aiming to do is work. So we're going to drive as far away as possible and then work our way back into Oslob. So yeah, hopefully we get to tick off loads of waterfalls today. So we've just made it to the Inambakan falls. The ride here was about an hour and a half, and the last kind of like 10 minutes is like slightly off-road, so if you're good on a bike you're fine. We paid 20 pesos to park, and also you've got to pay 50 pesos entrance for the waterfalls. It is mandatory to have a guide, especially in bad weather. So yeah, just listen to the guys at the top at the car park. They're just trying to keep you safe. And the guide is 300 pesos, so be expected to pay that as well if you visit the falls. But we can hear them, and it sounds big, so yeah, we're just going to walk down now. It's a bit slippery, so just to be careful.
Having a look at level 1, and there's apparently 8 levels here.
Yeah, so you can do different levels. But yeah, just absolutely stunning. Everyone's really lovely here as well. They're just helping us out, like where to go and that. You can swim here. Yeah, beautiful blue water. It's absolutely stunning. I'm actually really taken back by the waterfalls here in the Philippines. Yeah, they're really cool. It's like almost like in Laos. Like that kind of waterfall, like the colour and everything like that, so pretty awesome. So we've just left the Inambakan falls. Only come if you're confident on a moped, I suppose. And it's very slippery on the way down, just take it easy. And the parking's a bit muddy, but if it's dry season, you'll be fine. Yeah, and there's just a bit of a hill to get out. So now we're kind of like going back onto the main road, and we're gonna check out the next lot of waterfalls. Okay, so we have made it to the Hidden Falls. We paid 100 pesos per person and also 10 pesos to park the scooter. It's literally just off the main road, so very easy to get to. It's mandatory to have a guide, but that's included in your 100 peso fee. And also they lent us some wet shoes because we had our trainers on, so it was really lovely. We're now walking with the guides to the waterfalls. Apparently there's 2 levels. And you can actually jump off and go swimming here. If you're doing these waterfall treks whilst in Cebu, then would recommend you wear a bikini or like some swimming costume. We're just going to walk up now and see the amazing waterfalls. What do you think?
Beautiful.
Yeah. So beautiful. They truly are hidden as well. It's only like a quick 15-minute walk and you've got to walk through some waterfalls, so they gave us some shoes. Yeah, just so beautiful, really unexpected, just off the road. So. And then Jess has got her guide, which is Johnny, just down there. And yeah, each of us have had to have a guide today, so it's mandatory for each person to have a guide. But yeah, lovely walk, really enjoyed ourselves, and unfortunately obviously couldn't jump in, but
maybe next time.
Yeah, maybe next time. I mean, it was stupid of us really to come without a cossie, so definitely come with a swimming costume if you're coming. Definitely worth coming, and the waterfall is just absolutely gorgeous. So totally enjoyed it, even though it's a quick visit today. So it's literally on the main road here, and it's not a long walk, so if you fancy just like a small trek or something, or you fancy doing stuff when you're in Oslob or mobile, then just rent a scooter, and down this whole main road is just loads of waterfalls, so would totally recommend to do this. And for the money, you get a guide, and also you can have a lot of fun. You could spend all day here if you wanted to, so yeah, really lovely time with our 2 guides, and we're gonna go on to the next waterfall now, so let's see how we got on there. mind. We just had the best lunch. Well, it was a really late lunch because we ate at 3. Felicitia's cafe, which we would highly recommend. It was really reasonable price food, and also there's a little beach there. So if you're like eating there, you can literally walk down some stairs, and there's a little beach there. And we spotted like 5 turtles just off the edge. So it would be an amazing place to go snorkeling. The plan was to go to the Tumalog Waterfalls, which we've just got up to now, but unfortunately they've just closed. I'm not sure whether it is on Google. We haven't got any service up here, but basically it's closed, and we're gutted because we were kind of like saving the best till last, like going back to Oslob is the closest one back, and the plan was to kind of go further away and work our way back with the waterfalls. So unfortunately we cannot see it, and we've got no time in the morning because we're actually leaving Oslob. We're actually leaving Cebu to go to our next destination here in the Philippines. So yeah, we've missed out on that one, and we're gutted because apparently it's so beautiful. But the waterfalls all day have just been absolutely fantastic. So yeah, it's been a nice scooter ride around the island, and we didn't want to get wet today because we need to leave Cebu tomorrow, so we didn't want to carry around damp clothing. And it's been lovely weather, and we've had a great lunch spot, so we've really enjoyed it. So if you're in Oslob, then we highly recommend to get a scooter, put your bikini on, and do all these adventures in these waterfalls because they're really cool.
We hope you've enjoyed our little adventure here today in Oslob, and hopefully showing you what else there is to do other than the whale shark watching.
Yeah, we've really enjoyed today. So we're literally just going to go back to our accommodation now and pack, ready to leave tomorrow. So just thank you very much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this little waterfall adventure today, and subscribe and like the channel if you want to see more, and hopefully we see you in the next one.